Are you agreeable?
It's a pleasure to be here. I know this trip was long overdue. I've been to each and every municipal council, and we kept Levuka last. Because Levuka is special. So we kept it right at the end, and we made the decision to come down to Levuka. And the decision was purely based on the construction of market. And that made all of us do our planning, and we decided that we need to be in Levuka to decide exactly where the market should be, how big the market should be, what are the needs of the people, and the challenge here is the heritage component. That whatever we do meets the heritage requirements. So that becomes even more challenging. If the heritage requirements are not there, you can design whatever you want, and you can simply say, all right, this is what we want, and we can implement that. But being here simply means that we can look around and see the different types of structures and how the market can blend into one of these structures. So that is the real intent of our visit. We also want to meet the people of Levuka and understand what their needs are as ratepayers. Do note, if the ratepayers are not there, then Levuka Town Council do not exist. So we have to understand who our clients are, what their needs are, and how we can meet their needs. And as a council, you have a very, very important role to play. Do note that there are not too many government institutions based in Levuka, not too many. And Levuka Town Council has to play a multiple role because you are governing the municipality, and therefore you have a very, very critical role to play. You also need to play an important role in growing the council. How you can assist the business community, how you can assist the common man on the street, so that they all become productive and they can contribute to the development of Levuka. Right? So I will be talking more about this when I meet you during the council meeting, in terms of the various strategies that we need to put in place, how we're going to do things differently. That should be the focus. Not the way we have been doing things for the past so many years. It's not a continuity of the same thing. Right? So these would be some of the challenges that I'll be putting across to you, and you need to rise up to that challenge. So we'll have a separate discussion on that subject matter. But before I conclude my little talk, I want to encourage each one of us sitting in this room to understand the importance of Care Fiji app. Right? You know, we're going through COVID-19, and it's not just Fiji who is impacted by COVID-19. It's the whole world that is impacted by COVID-19. And Fiji is impacted in a bigger way because our reliance was on the tourism sector. And when the tourists don't come to Fiji, that means their contribution to our GDP gets completely wiped out. I recall last year's figure, the tourism sector was doing extremely well. It's a $2 billion industry. And the number of tourists coming to Fiji was far more than the population of our country. For the first time, the number exceeded little more than the population of Fiji. First time in the history of Fiji. So that's how good our tourism sector was. And now we have lost our $2 billion industry. So you've heard the national budget announcement. In the budget focused on economic recovery. And economic recovery means not only recovery of the businesses, but how even the workers, most of the workers are impacted as well. But for the economic recovery, to really take place, each one of us have to think differently and act differently. Right? Because the impact is on each one of us. And it's a staged process. So sooner the economy picks up, the better it will be. And every effort is made by the government to get the tourists into the country. And one way we are giving confidence to the various countries and to the people of different countries who want to visit Fiji is through Care Fiji app. We're trying to say that we have got a very good tracking system, and we want to give this confidence that when you come to Fiji, you will be taken care of. We will do everything to make sure that your safety is paramount. And we as citizens of this country, we can contribute to this bigger picture by just doing one small thing, which is simply downloading the Care Fiji app. Have we done that? We must do it. And so when I meet you during the council meeting, I would like to see that you have downloaded Care Fiji app. And when citizens or ratepayers come to your office, you must also encourage them to download this particular app. By asking them to do that, and by doing this, you're actually helping Fiji in sending good messages across that we care about you and we are opening our doors to welcome you. Okay? So just a little quick survey. How many of we have Care Fiji app on our phone? All right. Now it's not a good sign, right? So the council staff, you download Care Fiji app and tell me how you've done it when I meet you next. And you're going to also tell me how many more people you were able to influence. And through your influence, they've also downloaded Care Fiji app. So it's going to be a competition. And you're going to come back and tell me how many. Right, and I might have a surprise gift for you, for the winner. All right, so I will end my discussion here and look forward to further meetings and strategizing the work of Levuka Town Council. Vinaka, and thank you for your warm welcome.